Hello everyone, this is my review of Katz Shake It Up Baby. This is a children's book. It's hardcovered and the pages are cardboard as well. And the spine, it has like little beads or balls in the spine in a cylinder. So you can shake it up like kind of like a rattler. So that's a fun thing you can do. When you give the child this book, they can shake it up and use it like a rattler. So it might be fun for them to do that. But it's a pretty decent book, easy for them to read. Like I said, the pages are cardboard. And this is a fun book to read to your child or have your child read. So I recommend this product and I hope this review helps.